How to fix attachment unavailable on Facebook Messenger. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Smith, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix if it says attachment unavailable on the post or attachment that you have received or sent on Messenger. Well, now it might be different issues here. Now if you are using different versions of Facebook such as Facebook and Facebook Lite and Messenger, and you or someone has said you an attachment from Facebook Lite, then on Messenger you might have a problem opening it. So you want to check for that as well. The other thing is the group. Now if someone said an attachment from a particular group or an ID that is private and it's not public, then you might not be able to view it, or if you share it to someone, then they might not be able to view it. So it might say attachment unavailable because it might have been removed or such. Now the other thing, if this is none of your issue, then it might be a simple glitch, bug or such. In that case, what you can do is you can simply clear your storage cache. How you can do so? First, scroll down in notification bar, tap on the settings of the gear icon at the top right. Now here you want to scroll down and look into the option that says apps. Tap on apps, and then here you want to search for Messenger. You can search it easily from your search bar. Once you open up Messenger, you want to tap on it, scroll down, head into storage option. Under storage now you'll find the clear data and clear cache option. You can simply first try clearing your cache and then trying it again. But if this doesn't help, then I'll recommend you to simply tap on clear data. However, make sure that you have access to your account to log in back again, because this will remove your account and any saved login credentials as well. So once you do so, you can open up Messenger again and you must be able to fix the issue. So this way you can fix attachment unavailable on Facebook Messenger. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.